Before I have 1,555, now I have 1,633. $39 per day. After 2 days, 10,000 accounts were reached. And welcome to the channel. Let me just switch off the fan. I just want to quickly share with you something that I usually do on my Instagram, how I push ads, paid ads, you know, to get to people so that I can make more sales. How do you say? This is very important if you're starting out as a new Instagram business page. This idea will help you bring clients to your page that are buying, and some will be calling you right away. So I'll quickly show you how to do it now, but I also just want to lay out an issue that there's people that argue that paid ads are not really important, but in my opinion, if you're starting out and if you want to sell out the stock that you have, especially if you're like me, you're selling out fresh things that you don't want them to last a week or so, you need to sell them as fast as possible. So for you to do this, you need to have a credit card, you need to have Wi-Fi. All you do is just post your product, push it with the ads, and then just wait for the call to start ringing. So as we do this, I want also you to look at the number of followers that I have on my Instagram page. I'll see how long I'll decide to put this thing on, but I just need us to look at that so that we see how much followers we can get. And these followers that we can get, for someone to follow your page, it actually means it's a potential buyer. If they are not going to buy today, they'll definitely buy tomorrow. They're interested in your product. That's why they've decided to follow your page, so that they can see more. So what you have to do also on the other end is to always push reels, to push posts, to push stories, just so that you stay fresh in their mind. So keep posting every day, keep posting your business every day, so people don't get to forget your business. So make sure, guys, we're gonna do this. So now let's get onto my meal page, and then I'll walk you through it. Fresh fish to be specific. Also, I just posted in a post about fish, and that is the post that I want to post. So I just wanted you to see how this page looks like. So right now, let's look at the followers that we have. We have 1,555 followers, and it's something that I want us to look at the end of the advert. I want to see how many followers I've gained, and also the dashboard, how many accounts roughly have I reached. Right now we're at 7k accounts that I have reached. So at this point, this is the post that I posted about 9 minutes ago with only 1 like. I didn't have the intention to actually post this, but I just thought, okay, let me make a video out of it. So that's why we are here, because a lot of small business owners do not know about this. So I just let me just do this. But also for my sake, I just wanted to quickly sell this fish within a day or 2 days. So that's why I just okay, let me see what I can do. So the first thing that we're gonna do here, I gave all the details there. I just want to edit about the post. So when you are pushing an advert, you just want to be very brief and give all the details that you can for that specific post. So here it was to say whoever this post reaches, get to know that I am selling fish, and 3 fish in a pack, it's $100, and that is the number they must sell. This fish, it's not bream, but it's Zambezi river fish, which is Zambezi bream, because people still get to call and say, is it tilapia, is it what, but I no, this is it. So I just decided here no, let me also give additional information that is concerning deliveries. I do deliveries, and I also clean I can also clean the fish at an extra cost. Delivery cleaning is also extra costs. So I just decided, let me put it out there, so people don't get to question, send the DMs, comment on the thing, because sometimes DMs, it could be a while before you can actually get to see it. You could go to town, you don't have data, and then when you come back home, the Wi-Fi is when you're going, and you have missed out on a client. So that's why I just decided to put everything out there for my people. So here is just the analytics on the post inside, which is the analytics of the post. We see how many likes, how many everything, and you see everything is almost 0 besides that like. So let's go now to boosting. Let's go to boosting of this specific post. There's certain things that I want us to look at. So the first thing is to set the goal. What is your goal? Do you want people to visit your profile more? Do you want to send people to what is this, to your website, or you want people to directly SMS you? So that's where you make all those choices. But in my case, usually what I do, I want people to visit my page so that they get to see that it's not a once-off thing, and I always do it all the time. And this is to push potential client to also like my page, so that in the near future they can buy from me. So all that. But if you have a website that you want people to go to, then this website is this good option for you. But you can also go ahead and also just add your WhatsApp number. But for me, this one is a bit tricky because I feel like people just by asking, do you have this in the stock, what, there's not really, okay, just like a little tiny interaction here and there, but it won't be meaningful. Unlike building a profile on your profile, building an audience on your profile, that's like a community. So that's why I go ahead and usually use my profile visit, because this is an ongoing thing. If I was to stop selling fish today, then maybe I could just use that WhatsApp. But now it's something that it's a business that I'm building, not for a short term, but for a long term. So that's why I go for profile visits, and that's my profile picture. That's the profile that they'll see at meal 2486. So the second thing is the target audience. I usually just allow Instagram to do it automatically for me. I don't specify, I don't create my own. So this is just for Instagram to do that. So we move on to the third phase, which is the budget and duration. How long do you want your advert to run for? Because per day is $39, and that $39, it can get you 4,000 to 12,000 accounts. That is just one day. So if you have products that are a handful or that are not a lot, you can even just do this for one day. You will still get your clients. So we see that for 6 days you pay 200 and whatever. So you can just play around. You just see how much you have in your account, and is it worth it to spend so much money if you don't have so much stock. And this basically, guys, I'm talking about stock. Like if you have a warehouse, literally, maybe you're an online business and you store your thing in a warehouse, and they're like a lot. You have maybe soaps, you have maybe lip gloss, anything. So that's what you can use for. So in my case today, I have just decided that I'm gonna use Instagram to choose my thing, my audience. And then now the budget, I think I'm just gonna make it 2 days. You can see that in a day, which is $39, this account will reach over 4.7 people to 12,000. So, and right now my fish that I have is just one cool box, which is not even full. So I know it will not last that 2 days. But let me just do it for that, just for that. So it's $78 for 2 days, and this means that my account will reach between 9,000 to 25,000 accounts or people. Okay, so that is also fine, especially if you're on a low budget. You could sell whatever that you have, it can still finish. Or if you are left with a few, people have now followed your account, and they'll always come back, or they'll save that thing and they'll always come back and buy. So here's the review of our ad. Our goal is to reach the profile. The audience is automatic. The budget is 2 days, which is $78. And then I have a payment method, so which is a debit card. So you just put your debit credit card there. Then yeah, so now I'm just reviewing how this ad will go or promotion will go. It will be on the feed, it will be on the stories, it will be on the explore, and what else did I leave? On stories. So that's why it reaches so many people. Okay, so that is just a little summary. And then if you want to change your debit card, you can just go and change there where it says change. Then yeah, you post. When you post your account, then you just wait for it to be reviewed by Instagram. It doesn't take a long time, especially if it's products that are visible and are not against Instagram rules and regulation. It will just take maybe a few hours, if not two. Yeah, just 2-3 hours. Then it will be reviewed and it will be boosted. It will start. Before, I think I used to get my notifications saying no, your account has been is active, or your account is your post has your what advert has been is active. But yeah, let's stop here. So this is the following, not even the following day, 2 days later. This is the review. This is what you have got so far on my account. So this is the post that we did. That was 2 days ago. So it's a day after 2 days ago. And we have about 37 likes. And then, yeah, we have about 1,633 followers. So I got like 100 followers in that 2 days since the advert was renewed. And I forgot, I didn't check the, what is this, the accounts reached. But let's go again to the insights or the analytics of this specific advert that we did. 36 likes, 4 comments, 5 share, 22 savings. So it reached about 10.860 account, content interaction 68, profile activity 483. So this is people that came to the profile, probably called on the number that is on my profile. It's good always to have to connect your number on your profile. It's also good to always have that's a WhatsApp number that people can just easily call, or WhatsApp or email or anything that people can interact on. So here is the reach. The reach in this case was 860. Okay, so that's just the same revisions that I got that I was just explaining to you. So followers, 68 followers. They are not 100, guys. I don't know where I got that. I don't know how I got that, but yeah. So this is just the analytics to show you that the business, these paid ads, they actually can give you back. They can give you back in a lot of ways. You see, I just spent $78, but I might have made over $1,000 in 2 days. So over that thousand, you minus what is this? You minus the $78. So like we can just round it off, it's $100. So the 900 is your profit from all the sales that you make, depending if you're delivering or people you pick up, you have made it. So that's what it is. So the status, the progress is done, the gender, the male to female. Am I satisfied with the results? Of course I am. The good thing, I made my money. So this is the age range for the people that were very active on the account, that were buying or that were interacting rather with my account. So this is how easy you can make your money. I would recommend anyone that is starting out on Instagram. Everybody knows, trust Instagram instead of Facebook, because like there's a lot of scammers on Facebook. So try to create your Instagram account. It's more authentic. I would prefer buying on Instagram than on Facebook. So it also shows the top locations. My top locations was Commerce, Irongo, Oshana, Kavango, Ochozonjupa. So those were my top locations, and that's why I prefer Instagram, because you know, these guys, they work with your phone's location and stuff like that. Where the post is being posted, I think that's where they're pushing it. I mean, Instagram, that's where Instagram is pushing it to make you money and for you to reach the right audience. Let me know, guys, in the comment section if you ever done this, if you have ever profited from this, or if you're gonna, you know, start doing this yourself for your small business. Until in the next video, guys, thank you and see you. Bye.